Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you take all of me. Won't you
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharell if you're new here, and welcome to another video. As you guys probably seen from the thumbnail, I made another purchase. I have purchased a treadmill. So this purchase is not to replace the gym by any means, but y'all, just by sitting down all day working from home, it seems like no matter how much I go to the gym, I just can't lose the weight. I feel like I don't move enough. I considered getting a standing desk, I considered getting a walking pad, but I think this ultimate purchase of a treadmill will be better for me and my lifestyle, because not only I could use it, I'll have it available to me 24/7. I could just use it throughout the day, and also Josh could use it as well. So that's another reason why I decided to do a treadmill instead of a walking pad. It's just the weight limit is higher than the walking pad, so we both could use it. I am gonna put it in my office area. So I'm gonna put it in this corner. The thing about it is, I still want to put a bookshelf in this room, so I think I need to put a bookshelf over here instead of, originally the bookshelf was going to be by the mirror, but that's what the treadmill is going to go. So I'm about to unbox it. I am so excited that I have a treadmill now. It was I guess I won't consider it impulsive buy. It was something that I wanted for a while. It's just I caught a great sale on Amazon, and I didn't need a huge treadmill because I still have my gym membership. I just needed something I could use throughout the day, like even on my lunch breaks I could just walk on a treadmill, read a book, watch TV, watch YouTube, and still be active, because this stationary lifestyle working is not healthy, I would say, because you're sitting down for 8+ hours. But of course you have to do what you gotta do, you have to work, but I just want to be more active. I want to get more steps in, especially during the week. My time at the gym is very limited, so I will want to work more on my strength training portion instead of the cardio portion. I feel like I'm going to use this thing at least twice a day, because I could walk on my lunch, I could walk after I get home, get off of work, and it'll be right there. I don't have to worry about this is crazy. I don't have to worry about getting dressed and going and driving to the gym. I could put on whatever I want to put on while I'm walking in my treadmill in my house, and I feel comfortable. So that's what I'm doing. So right now we're about to unbox it and set it up. I'm excited. So we're gonna read directions because, yeah, we don't want to mess this up. So this is the user guide. This is how it's going to look. showing how it's going to look right here. So basically it's saying, ensure you read the manual carefully before attempting to assemble the treadmill. Designed for indoor use only, should not be used outdoors. Yeah, that's, I need to get to this part. This is the directions part, so that's the part I need to get to. Make sure I have all my pieces. So I guess for the assembly instructions, it has to be out the box. So let's call in reinforcements, aka my husband, to help us get it out the box, and then we could screw all the parts we need. So at first it says pick up the post to put in M8X 16 screws S2. Do the post screw, tighten the nut by using number 5 wrench, multifunction wrench. Use number 6 wrench screws, twist on column joints. And then, yeah, let's take it out the box first before we could assemble it correctly. Pick up the post and put M8 times 16 S2 screws. So these are S2 screws. Goes like this. So the bottom part is done. I screwed the bolts in. I was getting the small bolt confused with the second bolt, so that's why you need to read the directions. So now it wants me to pick up the post, mount the handrail on frame, and then tighten the screws with the Allen key. Insert the crystal head of the handrail into the right side of the column crystal hole, and then insert the decorative colors on the handrail. Alright, this is how it looks so far. I have it in a corner. I haven't turned it on yet, but I did plug it up. It's nice and small. So I'm gonna put on some tennis shoes and turn it on. So each time you start it, it started at 0.6 miles per hour. But then you can do it back. They have different modes, programs. So they have program 1, it shows you different intervals they have. So let's start program 1. And program 1 is 30 minutes and it starts at 1.5. Pretty sure you can sleep. But yeah. Alright y'all, so that's it for today's video. I love the treadmill. I will be linking everything below. It's from Amazon. It's fairly reasonable price for a smaller treadmill. I think the maximum capacity is 300 pounds, so it's good there. And yeah, I can't wait to use it. I will be honest, it's not quiet, but I really don't know how loud a treadmill is because every time I use a treadmill, I have headphones on anyway. So yeah, if you want to have this in your bedroom, I don't suggest it if you have a partner. But if for any other space, I suggest it. It's very small. You can fold it up. I plan on still using this room as another guest room, eventually get like a sofa bed or something, so when guests come over for now and they need to sleep on an air mattress, I can just fold it up and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I really like it. I can't wait to use it daily. I probably use it tonight right before bed, but right now I need to start cooking because it's Sunday and it's 4 o'clock and I need to cook red beans. So yeah, I need to get that done. But yes, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.